Welcome to the new MicroBar tutorial. If you run into any issues or have questions, join us on our Discord server down in the description. MicroBar is a powerful tool for creating health bars, but sometimes simple and fast is all you need. That's why MicroBar is getting a new simple mode. Today, I'll show you how to create a working health bar in minutes with the help of this little blue fella. As you can see, pressing these damage and heal buttons doesn't do anything yet. So let's add a health bar. First, right-click on our character, go to Microlight, then MicroBar, and select Simple Bar. This creates a new microbar for us. Position our new bar so it looks nice and aligned. Now we have a health bar, but it won't do anything on its own. We need to connect it to our scene controller. As you can see here, we have damage and heal methods, which are activated by our scene buttons. We want them to affect our health bar. The first thing we need to do is reference our health bar in the script. You might notice the editor complaining because it doesn't recognize MicroBar yet. To fix this, add a using Microlight .microbar statement at the top of the script. Each bar needs to be initialized with a maximum value, and I think the start function is perfect for that. Let's set the maximum value of our health bar to 100. For every change to the health value, we'll call the update bar method on our bar, passing in the new value. For damage, that means subtracting the damage amount from the current health. For healing, we'll do the same but add the value instead. Back in the editor, let's connect the character health bar with the controller script and test it out. It works perfectly. But I've got one more idea. Let's add a stamina bar to our character. Same as before, right-click the character, go to Microlight, MicroBar, and choose Simple Bar. This time, I want the bar to be green. Besides the color, I'll turn off the ghost bar option, set the animation to fill, and make the animation a little shorter. In the script, everything is the same as with the health bar, except the max bar value. Our character's max stamina will be 50. After connecting our new bar to the controller script, we can test it out. And we're done. The new simple mode lets you create beautiful bars in just a few minutes. Not only health bars, but any kind you need. If you have questions, need help, want to share your creations, or just want to chat, join our Discord community below. Leaving a review on the Unity Asset Store or giving this video a like really helps us out too. See you in the next tutorial.